Another PMP question, and this time it is relatively less controversial. I would say not at all controversial. Clearly asking about a particular situation and asking you which document or tool can help you. So let's look at the poll and we see what is this all about. So the question was simple, was asking that you are working in a fixed requirement and incremental delivery environment. So it's a hybrid environment. Your requirements are fixed, but you are making incremental deliveries. And after the first delivery, the stakeholder is asking that which requirements were covered in this delivery, can you tell me? And as a project manager, you want to figure it out that this deliverable was taking care of which all requirements. So which all out of these options can help you in getting that. So here the idea is that I need to identify the requirements which are delivered. And the requirement traceability matrix is meant for that purpose. When I talk to my stakeholder, I document the requirements as per requirement management plan in my requirement document. That's a predictive way of working because it's a fixed requirement process. After that, we convert the requirement document in a traceability matrix to ensure that these requirements are mapped well to work breakdown structure, later on the design, and finally the deliverable. So this is a traceability or tracking matrix which helps me in identifying as a project manager which all requirements were delivered in a particular deliverable. So out of these tools, I will use the requirement traceability matrix. Quick look what other options we got. So I think majorly the requirement traceability matrix, so we can see it very, very carefully. The scope baseline, which was a second vote, far behind, is not relevant here. The scope baseline talks about the specifications, the details of the deliverable, but it does not give a trace back to the requirement. In order to have a scope statement and deliverable having trace back to requirement, we maintain the tracking sheet or a traceability sheet, which is called requirement traceability matrix. So if my team wants to understand the specification, then I will go for scope baseline, which includes scope statement, WBS and WBS dictionary. But if the stakeholders are asking about their requirement, I need to start from a requirement and look for the traceability. So we are intending to do these kind of more and more polls. So do follow our LinkedIn page if you are not following it already. And I intend to make these videos also as we get results from these polls.